In St. Louis Park Public Schools, our mission is to see, inspire, and empower each learner every day. On August 11th, 2026, St. Louis Park Public Schools will ask voters to consider one question on the ballot to address growing needs for our schools. Some of our school buildings rely on aging boiler systems, many nearing or beyond their expected lifespan. Additionally, the district has needs for technology to ensure the safety and ongoing learning for students and staff. If approved, the plan would replace the aging boilers and related systems at St. Louis Park Middle School and High School. Did you know these systems are approximately 70 years old and have already exceeded their typical lifespan? While ongoing maintenance has extended their use, replacement is now necessary to ensure reliability and efficiency. The proposal also includes a capital projects levy to provide ongoing funding for school operations, technology, and safety needs. This includes updates to security systems, door hardware, communication tools, and technology infrastructure that support day-to-day learning. This investment is about more than infrastructure. It's about creating stable, comfortable, and secure environments where students can focus, learn, and thrive. To learn more, visit our website,